Today I'm planning to explain this sentence like how to use there is and there are in sentences. We use there is when the noun is singular, and we also use there are when the noun is in plural form, like more than one. That time we choose to use there are. When the things are singular, there one item, one thing. That time we use there is. We use there is there are two things, those are exist. That time we use there is, there are. Here, hi, my name is uh, Jamma. Jamma. This is my house. It has got a garden. This is her home. This is her home. It has got a garden. There are there are many things in our garden. Here in our garden, this is garden. We call it as garden before, in front of house or backside. This is her Gemma's garden. There is a big tree. There is a big tree. Tree is one. So here uh, we say it that's why we say like there is, because there is only one tree singular. If there are two more than two three trees, that time we say there are few trees. That is how we say. But here there is only one tree. That is the reason she is saying that there is a big tree. This one is big tree in front of her house. There is a kennel here. This kennel where dog usually, dog house, dog lives in this kennel. This we call it as kennel, dog's house. So there is a kennel under it, but there is not a dog inside the kennel. But there is not a dog in this kennel. No dogs. There is no dog, but they have this house, but and they don't have dog inside the kennel. No dogs, nothing. There is some wood next to the kennel. There is some wood. Here, wood. There is some, means few. There is some few wood next to the kennel. There are three books and there is a ball near them. There are three boxes here. One, two, three boxes. There are three boxes and there is a ball. This ball. The ball is just only one ball. So that's why she's explaining. She's telling that there are three boxes and there is a ball next to these boxes. Books are here and next to ball near them, close to that these boxes. And next one, there is a barbecue under the tree. And barbecue, this one, this is barbecue, where they put vegetables and it can be used in veggies and non-veg. Barbecue. They do drill and all that. There is a barbecue under the tree, and there are two chairs in front of the house. Here, two chairs also there in front of our house. Because chairs, there are two. If it is one, that time she could have say like this. She could have said by saying like this, there is one chair in front of her. Because here there are two chairs. So that's why she's explaining. There are two chairs in front of the house. There are two chairs in front of her house. Barbecue is under the tree. And there is a basket next to the chairs. There is a basket. Basket is only one, single. So that's why she's explaining. There is a basket next to the this chair. Next to chair, there is a basket. There are some leaves on the ground here. Leaves. Set.